Hello everybody, so today's video is going to be about, let's see here, how to make a frozen cheese pizza. As you can see, this one is like mine, a nice frozen cheese pizza. So that's what I'm going to do today in this video, is to show you guys how to make a frozen pizza. Okay, so let's go and get started and I'll show you guys how to do this today. So here's the kitchen area. That's where I'm going to be making my pizza. This is the oven that I'm going to be using. Just so you know, I kind of got it heat up already for the pizza, cheese pizza. So here's the cheese pizza that I'm going to be making. Is this one right here. Alright, so I'm going to put my phone up here. 1 second. Alright, there we go. So this is the cheese pizza that we're going to be making today. Just so you know, this is what it says and everything. It says pizza with mozzarella cheese and tomato sauce, so that's pretty cool. Alright, so we need to take a look at the instructions on the back here of this pizza box, okay? Alright, so this is the instructions. So as you can see here, I got it to 400, so that's what I got it on now. And then it says 14 to 16 minutes, so basically 15 minutes to cook this pizza today. So this is going to be a pretty good pizza, I think. Alright, so I'm going to take out this pizza here and show it to you what it looks like, okay? Alright, let's see. Alright, so here's the pizza. That's a pretty big size. It's not bad as for the pizza size. Alright, so the next instructions thing I want to show you is that you have to place it on the oven rack, you know, like right on the oven rack or something like that. But yeah, it says place it in the middle. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my pizza here, and then I'm going to put it into the oven here for you today. Alright, so let's go ahead and get it opened up right here. Alright, there we go. Okay, just take this paper out. Alright, cool. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and go to the oven. Okay, so I got the plastic off the pizza, so now it's time to go to the oven. Alright, so I'm going to take the oven here. See, that's the oven. You need to place the pizza in the middle. Alright, so here's the pizza. It's going to go like right in here. Right in the middle, so that's pretty cool. And then what you want to do is cook the timer to 15 minutes. And then it should be done in 15 minutes. And then I'll get back to you guys after this is all finished. Okay, so the pizza oven is finished. I'm going to take it out now. So let's take a quick look. Ooh-wee, smoke. Gotta watch out for that smoke. But that's what the pizza looks like, and it looks so good. So I'm going to go ahead and take it out here for you. And then I'm going to cut it open and everything. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. So I got it out of the oven, so this is what it looks like. So I got my pizza cutter, so I'm going to take it and cut it here. If I can do it with the phone in my hand. Let's see. Yeah, I'm going to have to cut it out here. Just a second. Alright, so I got it nicely cut. As you can see here, I got it cut. So I'm going to take a few slices and then go to my bedroom here and then talk a little bit more about this pizza today. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Alright, so there we go. I got my plate and everything, so I'm good to go. So I got my pizza here. As you can see here, I got my pizza, so this is a pretty good pizza. I'm going to do a quick test taste here for you, and then I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit more about this cheese pizza too as well, so here we go. Okay. So you know the pizza's not half bad, actually. This is a cheese for a cheese pizza. Just so you know, it's not my favorite cheese pizza in the world, but my favorite one is the Sam's Choice pizza from the frozen one with the 5 cheese. But yeah, that's my favorite cheese pizza. Just so you know, this cheese pizza that I'm eating now is I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10 rating. For this, it does need a little bit more sauce on it, but other than that, it's still good pizza. Let's see here. To buy this item, you have to go to Walmart or some kind of grocery store that whatever you have. You can buy this type of pizza. Just so you know, it's like between I guess you could say $5 to $10 for this frozen pizza. But yeah, it's pretty good. But anyways, I think that's pretty much it today about this pizza. And if you guys want to see more of food cooking videos and reviews, food reviews and stuff like that, just leave a like and subscribe. And I want to say thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys later.